Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. And today's video I want to talk about black pepper. If you are new here on this channel, please subscribe and don't forget to place the notification bell on. When I post the video, you'll be the first one to see my video. Don't forget to give me thumbs up if you like my video and comment down below if you have any question, suggestion or anything. So today's video I want to talk about black pepper for burning belly fat. If you have a side fat, you have down fat, or you have any kind of fat, please use black pepper. Not only about fat, black pepper work also for the men who want to have power and strong during sex. They can use also black pepper. Do you know how the way this black pepper work for the men who want to be strong and power during it? Please keep watching this video and you will know how you can use this black pepper. Not only about men, also black pepper work for the woman who want to have very honey during sex. They can use also black pepper. So do you know how the woman can having it? Do you know how the woman can have a juice down there by using this black pepper? So if you don't know, please keep watching this video and you will know how the way you can use black pepper for the woman. Please keep watching this video and welcome back. So number one we talk about black pepper to burning stomach fat. Not only about stomach fat, you can burn also the side fat, down fat, or any kind of fat which you have. Do you want to lose weight for 7 days? Do you want to burn your stomach fat for 7 days? Please keep watching this video and you will know how the way you can burn all kind of fat which you have. The same way you're using for burning your stomach fat, it helps also to make you to be strong and power during sex. And not only about men, also about women. The same way you're using for the burning fat, using for the burn fat, using for the making you be strong and others. So you need to have ginger. This is my ginger. So and after you get this ginger, you have to need to have a bowl or anything which you have it, but for me I'm using this one. You can take a small piece of ginger, but if you don't have ginger, you can use even turmeric. So if you take this small ginger, as you see in my video, this is my real ginger which I'm using now, and then take a cool water and clean water and start washing your ginger, as you see on my video how the way I'm washing my ginger. So do you know why we're washing this ginger? We're washing because we want to remove all the bacteria and all the dust that are around our ginger. So let us watch and I will telling you how the way it look like. So you can see how the way this ginger look like. It's just looking good, nice and wonderful. So please, this is my ginger. Then you need to have a cup, a glass or anything which you have, but for me I'm using glass. So for you can use anything. And then you need to have a hand blend if you can hand blend, or you can use a hand machine, you can use blend machine if you have, but for me I'm using a hand blend for blending my ginger. Do you know why I'm using this one? Because I don't have hand machine, I don't have blend machine. I don't have blend machine. That's why I'm using this one, hand machine. And this things is so helpful for me instead of using machine. So after you blending this ginger, as you see in my video, and you make sure that you get the size which you want for that time. So after I getting my size, and this is my real size which I get after I blend my ginger. So after you finish blend it will look like this, and then you need to add hot water. So when you add hot water, make sure that you see the color of the water change and become like a milk a little bit, but it's not a milk, it's just like a water. So then you need to have a black pepper. So when you take a black pepper, you need to take 4 pieces of black pepper. Don't put a lot of black pepper because this one is not just good to eat a lot, just a little bit you need to take it. So then after you taking 4 pieces of black pepper, you need also to have a cinnamon. So when you're taking a cinnamon, like you see on my video, you can add a little bit cinnamon, but please you can using even a cinnamon powder. It depends on you which kind of cinnamon you have. Any kind of cinnamon you can use for these remedies. So you can add your cinnamon, as you see on my video. This is my water and I add everything inside it. So after you finish add the cinnamon into your water, you need to covering it maybe for 10 minutes up to 15 minutes. So when you covering it, the things it's make sure that everything which you add inside the water can be absorbed by itself. So after you covering it after 10 minutes, you need to taking it out, as you see in my video how the way I taking it out, and then you can taking it and boiling it into fire. So you need to boiling it back. So when you're boiling it back, you don't need to have very hot, just like you can boiling, and then it can get a little bit hot but not a lot, so it can be easy for you to take it. So after you just doing everything, you need to have a strainer, and then after you taking your strainer, you need to strain your water. So after you straining your water, please make sure that you don't use plastic cup as I'm using here. Plastic cup is not nice for hot water. Plastic cup is just nice maybe for cold water or normal water, but not hot water. So you need to have a glass, or you need to have any kind of cup, but not plastic one. So after you taking this water and to your glass like this, as you see on my video, you can see even the color of the water can be changed and be different as you see it here. So after you finish it, you need to add lemon or lime, anything which you have, lemon or lime. So let me telling you something. If you have gas, if you have acid, if you have ulcers, please don't add lemon in this water. But if you don't have anything to your stomach, you can add a little bit lemon or lime to your water. So after you add lime or after you add lemon to your water, now my water is ready. So the water now is ready for use. So you can use this water 2 times per day, morning and evening. For those who want to burn stomach fat, who want to burn the fat under their army, they can use this water to drink at morning and evening. So when you drink at morning, please, you need to drinking before you eat anything. And if you drink at night, please, you need to drink 2 hours after you eating dinner. So after you drink this one, you need to keep drinking for 7 days. After 7 days, if you don't see any changes, please stop using this water. But after 7 days and you see changes, please keep using this water. But for those who has worrying or they have health issue, better they can consult your doctor before they try to using this water. So that is the way the side about using this water to burning a stomach fat, to burning a bell fat, to burn the fat which they have. But this water also help to those who want to have power strong during sex, just like you get me, I think. So if you want to have power, if you want to have strong, if you want to have honey during sex, please using this water. Do you know how the way you can using it? You are a man now, please just drink 1 cup per day, and you need to drink per 7 days without stop. So you will see changes, you will have power, you will have strong, and you will be very, 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 very. You can even repeat 2 times round. You can repeat different round to your partner. So by using this water, and also the woman who feeling pain, during sex, and they don't know what to do, this is the best way you can use at home. You need just to add 1 cup of honey in this water, and after you add 1 cup of honey in this water, then you need to drink. So 1 glass per day, and you need to drink for 7 days. You will feel it, that kind of pain which you have, it will go away, and you will feel very good during it, and you will enjoy and making your partner enjoying you. So this is the way how the water, this water working for those things who want to solve their problem. But make sure that you don't have any kind of health issue when you try these remedies. But if you didn't go to hospital and you don't know what the problem which you have, better you can go to the hospital and to know what the problem which you have, and then you can try to use this one. Don't try before you know what the problem you have. You need to know the problem. You need also to know and to ask your doctor what to do, and ask your doctor to give you advice to using this water. That will be the best way you can use water, and everything will be okay, and everything will be all right. You know that if you have a problem, you need to try many things, but you need to see by yourself which one is the best for you and which one you need to try. not everything you need to try, baby. So this is the way you can use this water for burning stomach fat, for burning any kind of fat, and also help for the men who want to have strong power during sex, and also for the woman who want to have honey enjoyment during sex by using this water. You can see how the way this water is so powerful. My name is Cute, but I can asking you for one favor. Please subscribe on this channel and don't forget to place the notification bell on. When I post a video, you'll be the first one to see my video. Don't forget to give me thumbs up when you like my video, and don't forget to share, comment down below if you have suggestion or anything which you have. So don't forget that I post my video every day, so keep reminding yourself. Cute Flora, I'm here for you for the better and best advice. So see you next video. For today, I'm ending up here. Bye bye.